Hi everyone, welcome back. Happy Monday. I hope you had a great Mother's Day weekend. So yesterday my daughter made her first toto. She wanted to make one for me for Mother's Day. However, she had about 3/4 cups of coconut flakes from her rice and peas, and then she added some store-bought ones. She had 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Now she's adding in her sugar. She added 3/4 cups of sugar, but after mixing it, she said it tasted like it needed more, and she added about 1/4 cup more. So you can adjust the sugar to your liking. Add your spices, your salt, baking powder, baking soda, your melted butter, which I will list everything in the description box, and your 2 cups of coconut milk. Alright, and this is fresh blended coconut milk. Use your wooden spoon to combine everything properly. Make sure your oven is already preheated at 350 degrees and your container is greased with butter. And she's using a 9 by 13 baking pan. Alright, so make sure everything is all leveled out and place it in your oven. First toto and it looked pretty.
It's delicious. Don't put me in it.
She was so proud of her result, and I was extremely proud of her as well. All I did was told her the ingredients and she did an amazing job. So here it is. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and give it a try, and as you can see, it was pretty simple. Just mix up all your ingredients and pour it in your baking pan and you will have a beautiful result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for the ingredients. All right, enjoy the rest of your week.